So guys, we're in and we've already made $99 profit in the first 20 minutes. It's being dumped, man. Minus $89 profit. I don't know what's gonna happen today. Now, if you've been on social media at all over the last few hours, you will have seen how much this stock price has gone up and how much people are talking about it. Right now, it is 11:53 UK time and the stock market opens at 2:30 UK time because it's the New York Stock Exchange. And after reading all this stuff on the internet, I've been doing a lot of research this morning. I have decided I'm gonna buy one share of GME to see how it goes. So I went over to Trading 212 and I went over to GameStop and I went to click buy, and then basically Trading 212 have stopped people from buying this stock.
Are you fucking kidding me? Those fuckers, those motherfuckers.
So I tried to buy some AMC, could not get AMC. So then I was like, what other accounts do I have? And then I remembered I signed up for Etoro as well. And we got it, guys. We secured the bag. We secured some GME. Time to hold forever. As you can see on the screen right now, we got it for 322 and we got a profit loss of $76 so far, and the value's gone up to 428, which is what the pre-market value was over on Google. It was bouncing between around sort of about 420 and then 480, so I think we can expect to see it jump a bit higher. I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to surge, but we secured the bag. Let's see how we get on later. My plan is to hold this share for the next day or two, maybe till Monday or Friday. Around Friday, I'm going to see what happens because I think everybody's going to start to get out pretty damn soon. So we're going to go to Friday or Monday. I'm going to keep an eye on the charts today, and yeah, that's about it really. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the next part and we'll see how we did buying GME. So we're back, and as you can see, is dropped. It's being dumped, man. People are selling. They're not holding the line. I have heard places like Robinhood and Etoro are stopping. I haven't even bothered to put another trade in yet because I'm just not even bothering until I see some movement go back up. I've lost about $50, but like I said, I don't really mind about this money. I want it in a competition, so it's fun $50 to spend. I'm having a good time. That's all that matters, eh? Yo, so we're back in this madness. It's the day after I invested, and as you can see over here on Etoro, I bought in at 287. It was a stupid idea to buy in at 287 because that was one of the high points of the trade that day. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun with it. So as you can see, the current valued price over on Etoro is $197. But if we go ahead and take a look at the pre-market value, we are up 104%. That's 396 US dollars. So I checked in on this and I've got my order over here. Where is it? So looking at that, the pre-market's now 406, literally in like 2 minutes. I've pretty much set a take profit to take some profits and earn back what I lost yesterday, and then buy in at the dip again. And I'm gonna look to buy in at around here. I've gone on some charts. I've done a little bit of research on how to use charts and how to draw resistance lines and all that type of stuff. And as you can see here, if we go to the line bar chart, we've got a resistance of about 126 or 110. And then we had an all-time high yesterday of about $303. So we're looking to kind of enter the trade down here, around there, but it looks like it's going into an uptrend right at the moment. So I may have to redraw resistance lines from here to here. But yeah, as things go, I'm just gonna sell, then buy at the dip, and I'm just gonna hold. This has been the craziest time in our generation, and I'm waking up every morning with such excitement for this whole thing, man. It's a true display of power versus force, and it just goes to show that the people have power now. Protests and riots only do so much, and we're hitting them where it fucking hurts. So today, do not get scared. Hold, man. I'm holding. I got scared yesterday. Look at this. I bought in at 287. It went down to 197. I was like, I'm gonna sell. But you know what? I didn't. I held the line. I held my share position, and look at what it's doing now. 408 pre-market. The power that has been displayed is unfathomable. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with my day. I've got my alarm set for 2:30. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get in on these trades. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna buy more GME at the lows, and I'm just gonna keep holding, because when collective humans come together with a lot of power and a plan, we can actually make a fucking difference. Let's do it. So it begins, the market is open. It has just jumped to 410. This is going wild. I'm keeping my eye on the graphs just to kind of figure out what's going on, even though I have no idea how to do this. I kind of want to buy in one of these dips, and we can see it's being very volatile right now. It's pumping around everywhere. And I kind of want to buy around 196 or 132. Based on yesterday, looking at the charts, we've got lines of resistance here and here. So I'm looking to buy in either around 300 or 220, or maybe the lowest point, which was 130. And now Etoro has glitched out and said it's 1995, which is not true, let's be honest. Come on, no, this ain't true. Yes, we still got it. Before I put in an order, I want to see it go past the line of resistance or bounce back. If it goes past and goes further down and doesn't bounce back from here, I'm not going to put in another order. But if it bounces back from here, boom, order, straight in. Let's get the peas. It's plummeted to 331 right now. It's going down. We're seeing it kind of peter out around about the 323 mark. I reckon that's going to be a new line of resistance if it doesn't go past. I'm really looking for it to go down to 304 and then bounce back. That's the line of resistance that I've drawn, as it happened over here yesterday, and then I'm going to buy back in. I'm going to reinvest the money and get GME high. My ultimate plan is to try and get the lowest point down here around 100, which means I can triple the amount of GME I had yesterday. But this is going to be it. It's just going to be me staring at a screen for a while, just fucking shitting myself. Waiting for the time. The market is now open on Etoro as well, which means their liquidity provider is not screwing us, which is nice. We're having a bit of resistance around that $315 mark. People are holding out, and it hasn't gone down lower than that in a long time. So I think it's gonna gonna eat my own words there. We're just gonna watch it and see if it pumps back up to that level, because I think this could be a new line of resistance for us. And then once we see it start to surge past that 315 mark, I really think it will take off again. Boom, we just came in at around 338. I'm expecting this to go up. We're seeing a lot of upward power in the market. Yeah, man, it's going to the moon, man. We're gonna make some peas. So we're at the end of the day, and it's really looking like GME wants to pop. And just as I started recording, it has. We've been bouncing around these two lines. I drew a sort of like Fibonacci retracement thing, and it's bouncing around the 38.2% and the 0%, which from what I found earlier is meant to be good. So I've just been watching this very closely. I'm kind of annoyed because I missed out on this massive dip. This was the 259 pound resistance line that I put in earlier, and I didn't see it because I put it in as yellow and I couldn't see it. I also went for dinner around this time, so I missed out on that really big dip and that really big spike. As you can see, we're now up to 327 as we're going into the closing minutes of this craziness. As you can see, I got back in at around $319. I really did want to get back in at that 257, like I said, but we always have tomorrow, and I reckon overnight, guys, this is gonna go a lot higher once the market has stopped and all the trading has stopped. Over the past couple of days, it's gone a lot higher every single night, so I'm expecting the pre-market value to shoot up. So I'm in now, and I'm in it for the rest of the night until we open tomorrow. So far from doing this, I've made around $72, and I expect to make a hell of a lot more. We're gonna continue going over the weekend into Monday, and then yeah, Let's get it. Anyway guys, that's it for the video. If you did enjoy the video and you want other tips on how you can earn money online, I'm an affiliate marketer and that's how I earn my living, and I'm teaching people how they can do it for free as well. I'm also sharing my journey completely transparently on my way to making a full-time income from online gigs. So if you want to check that out, please smash the subscribe button. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Oh, I'll probably do a part 2 of this for the next 2 days and then release it again.